All right, going to give you guys a little quick startup procedure for the Minelab Manticore. Let's take a look at it real quick here. All right, to get started, we'll turn the machine on. And check your sensitivities at 22, so we know the sensitivity is good. Your little cogwheel down here, click this middle button right here. We're going to start here, and the menu goes up the side, up the left side. So we're at volume 25. You want to make sure you can hear it, right? The next thing is you want to make sure you're in the correct search mode. Right now I'm in all-terrain fast. That's the mode I'm going to be in today. We're going to do a noise cancel, and we do this by holding this button over here on the right while the machine is at waist height. So we're going to lift the machine up to waist height, hold that button, keep it held in. Watch those numbers. If you get the same number twice, you can let go. We'll do that again. We'll keep watching that number. There's 2 8s in a row, so 8 is good. Now we click this button again, the up arrow. Ground balance. This is important. We want to go to a place where we don't have any signals in the ground. Somewhere where there's no signals, like right here. You're going to hold this button in and pump the coil in and watch that number. And it's settled down right at 1. And we can let go. Once it settles down, you can let go. And now you're ground balanced. And essentially the machine is ready to go right now. If you wanted to, you could click this button right here and just take off and start metal detecting. Good to go. Other settings you might want to consider right now would be your recovery speed. I have videos on this. You can look up on the top right corner of the screen right now and learn about recovery speed. It's super important. But generally speaking, if there's a lot of signals in the ground, you're going to want a higher number. And if there's not too many signals, you're going to want a lower number. I'm going to start off today at 5. So I'm good to go. One last thing I will recommend to you is that you go up to, you get to general settings, click these cogwheels, and go down to Ferris indication and make sure that that's on red. You can change it right here, but just make sure it's on red. And that way, when you're out detecting and you're in this screen right here where the horseshoe is, that's discrimination on. And when you have the discrimination off, like I like to hunt with no discrimination, you'll get red IDs on what the machine thinks is iron. And that's my startup procedure. That's how I get started, and that's what you should do too. Now, if you change programs, let's go down here to the different modes. And if you change programs to, let's say you go to general. As soon as you do that, just keep in mind you have to do another noise cancel, a fresh noise cancel. Let's go ahead and do that. Hold it in, watch the number. There we go, we got 2 -6s. So same thing. And then lastly, repeat the ground balance again. Find a spot here where you don't have any signal underneath the coil. Pump the coil. And there we go, right back to 1. And you're good to go. So if you change programs, search modes, make sure you do a new noise cancel and a new ground balance. And that's it. That's the whole startup procedure. So don't be afraid to get this thing out and start using it. And after 3 or 4 times out, you'll have this memorized. But that is the only things you really need to do, other than make sure these are connected. All right, guys, good luck out there.